Hi, my name is Sophie Summers, and as always, thank you very much for joining me today on this Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. And I'm going to be sharing with you my experience of attending for the very first time the Goodwood Revival. Now, it's something that I've had on my bucket list of things to do for many a decade, and this year I finally got around to attending it. And it was very, very worthwhile. Although the weather, I must say, was a little bit downcast and a bit wet, but it didn't dampen our enthusiasm at all. Now, if you are unfamiliar with the Goodwood Revival, it's really focused on the 40s, 50s and 60s, and it's a little bit glamour meets petrol heads, because there are an awful lot of old vintage cars there, and they get to a race around the Goodwood racetrack. And for me, the sound of those old cars racing by really does sort of make my heart sort of flutter. It's quite an experience, and the whole experience itself of the day was just wonderful, from the original turning up in a vintage bus at the Goodwood Revival itself to walking around and viewing so many wonderful stands and seeing so many elegant ladies and gentlemen throughout the whole day. Plus the fact there was a little fairground there, which really does appeal to the child in me. But I think the entire event is very worthwhile visiting if you have the opportunity. So without further ado, let's have a little recap of the day for you, shall we? Welcome back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little insight into the Goodwood Revival there, and if you are somebody that loves a glamorous day out, I can highly recommend you attending the Goodwood Revival. You will find out all about the 2025 event fairly soon on the Goodwood Revival website, so keep an eye on that if you're thinking about attending it. Now, at this stage, I would like to take the opportunity to say a special thank you to the kind gentleman that tapped me on the shoulder and said that he watches the channel on a regular basis. I'm terribly sorry I didn't catch your name, but it was highly appreciative of you to do that, and it kind of made my day. So all that really remains for me to say is, as usual, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And finally, as always, stay gorgeous, stay safe, and until the next time, bye bye.